Me and my team at my AI automation agency have built over 1,000 AI agents. And for this video, I have handpicked 20 of the most powerful SEO AI agents. Some of these agents include metadata optimization agents to full UX design agents, and also agents that can design full sets of content from just one prompt. And of course, a whole lot more. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through every single one of these AI agents. I'll show you what they do, then I'm going to be actually running a few of my personal favorite AI agents to show you what they're capable of and how you can get the most value from them. Then at the end, I'll show you how you can access all of these agents completely for free and how you can set them up. So let's skim through these 20 agents, and diving into the first one, we have the entity optimization agent. This agent analyzes all of your website content for entity recognition and topic relationships. It finds missing semantic entities and patches gaps in topical authority. This will help Google understand exactly what your site is about through its knowledge graph. Next up is the algorithm impact detector agent. So whenever Google pushes an update, this agent essentially compares your rankings before and after, highlighting which pages were hit. And after that, we've got the crawl optimizer agent. So this agent audits your crawl logs and sitemap behavior to figure out how Googlebot is actually navigating your site. Then it shows you how you can improve your crawl budget, fix dead ends, and get more of your pages indexed on Google. Okay, and agent number 4, one of my personal favorites, is the SEO brief builder. This one creates fully optimized content briefs by scanning search results, mapping search intent, collecting subtopics, and outputting a ready-made outline straight into Google Docs or Notion, or just a chat if you want to keep it simple. Agent number 5 is the SEO user experience analyzer. This agent will look at your live URLs and identify user experience issues that directly affect SEO. So things like readability, layout, mobile friction, and engagement blockers. Then it will give you actionable advice to improve your rankings and improve conversions on your site. Now, agent 6 is the metadata optimizer agent. It will rewrite title tags, meta descriptions, and OG tags to improve click-through rates and social previews. It can even bulk optimize everything if you upload a CSV. Now, agent 7 is the backlink builder agent. And this agent studies competitor link profiles, finds authoritative domains in your niche, and flags toxic links and generates personalized outreach that you can send en masse through your CRM, for example. And agent 8 is the global link SEO agent. Now, this is perfect for international sites. It will create hreflang tags, find regional keyword variations, and adapts content for cultural differences. And it will also fix duplicate content across different countries and different languages. Next up, we have the content refresher agent. And this one monitors your existing content for traffic drops, compares it against competing pages, and auto-generates refresh drafts that help you recover rankings and keep everything updated. Moving on to the search engine results page monitoring agent, or the SERP agent for short. It will track daily keyword rankings across all major SEO platforms, detect anomalies, and attributes ranking changes to specific causes. And after that, it will send instant alerts via Slack or email. Next up is the markup engine agent, and it automatically generates validated JSON schema for all of your content types and provides plug-and-play instructions for, say, WordPress, Shopify, and Webflow. Then we have the intent mapper agent. This one reads your keywords and classifies them by search intent. Then it will tell you your best content format, your call to action, and your funnel placement for the best results. And next is the local SEO booster agent. This agent improves your visibility in local searches by optimizing hyper-local content, auditing citations, and improving your Google My Business listing to boost map rankings. Then there's the SEO strategist agent. It builds your long-term SEO architecture, generating semantic topic clusters, suggesting content outlines, and mapping out internal link structures so your entire site grows strategically. And next is the zero-click optimizer agent. Now, this agent identifies opportunities to be featured in snippets and zero-click results. It will rewrite content to target snippet formats and suggests tables, lists, and schema adjustments to capture those positions. Then we've got the SERP analyzer agent. Now, this one breaks down why your competitors are outranking you, analyzing their page structure, backlinks, schema, keywords, and speed. Then it points out the exact gaps that you will need to close. Moving on to the keyword cluster agent. It takes huge keyword lists and groups them into clean, logical clusters based on similarity, SERP overlap, and search intent, making content planning much simpler. Then we have the content synthesizer agent. So you give it one core idea and it turns that into a full multi-format content package. So blogs, infographics, short form videos, social posts, email newsletters, you name it. And it's all aligned in just one message. And finally, we have the niche identifier agent. This one analyzes your audience behavior across platforms to uncover micro segments you didn't even know you had. It builds detailed audience profiles and gives actionable recommendations for each segment. So that's all 20 agents that we are giving away in this video. Now you understand what these agents actually are, and what I'm going to do before I show you how you can get access to them is show you a couple of my favorites and also demonstrate how they actually work. You know, where do these agents sit? Are they inside a workflow? Do they have a chat UI like ChatGPT? I'm going to be showing you all of this, and then once we've done that, I'll show you how you can get access to these agents, how you can set them up, and how you can actually use them. So I've got a couple of really cool ones that I want to show you, so let's crack on. Okay, so if you want access to these 20 SEO agents, what you're going to want to do is head to the description. In the description, there'll be a link there that will take you to our learning center, which is what I have on screen now. Once you open that link, you'll have to follow a few instructions and you will receive access via email. And once you're in, this is what you will see. And whenever you're in here, you just want to come to bundle giveaways and then scroll down a little bit to SEO agents. 20 SEO agents. And here they all are. Okay, so now I'm inside the UI of the SEO UX analyzer. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works. And now, if I were to go through and test all of these different agents, it would take me absolutely ages. So I'm just doing a few of my favorites. So all you need to do for this one is grab a URL. So I'm going to take my website URL, come back here and just paste it in. Then I'm going to come down, say, complete your task, and just hit enter. And then the agent will do its thing. So we can see the agent is using its various tools and planning a way to complete this task. Now this agent can actually take a screenshot of your website to analyze it visually and interpret it as if a human would. Okay, and after a few minutes, it's now coming back with the full report. So we can see we create the task, it performs 5 steps, and then it comes with this enormous big summary, its output essentially. We get 3 critical issues, quick wins versus long-term improvements, a detailed visual analysis, then it's talking about the user experience, the content quality, and then a big list of recommendations. And it also includes a screenshot of the website just as evidence to say, okay, this is the real website that I checked out and I'm not making this information up. Very, very cool and very, very valuable. And this can be extremely valuable if you want to call it from an API, for example. So now the second agent I want to show you is the SEO strategist. And all I'm going to do is enter in a topic, a random topic. I'm going to say fitness and exercise and just press enter. Okay, so it is now generating the output a few minutes later. This one actually took quite long. Okay, so we can see it's ranking semantic clusters by relevance, giving you a content outline, giving you loads of more clusters that people are actually searching for. And then at the end, it's giving you an internal linking map, how you can essentially tie all of the content together to make it extremely authoritative. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can set these agents up for yourself. So as you can see, once these agents are set up, you can just run them like it's ChatGPT and a chat UI, or you can access them via API, but regardless, very cool and very, very useful. I'm very targeted in on one specific task and one specific role. But anyway, what I'll do now is I'll show you how you can set these agents up for yourself. And the platform that we are using to build and run these agents is none other than Relevance AI. Now, if you want to get access to this platform, you just want to head to relevanceai.com and it will take you exactly to this screen. Now, once you're here, if you don't have an account, you're just going to want to press sign up. Then once you're in, it'll take you to this. Don't get overwhelmed. I know there's a lot going on, but we don't have to worry too much just yet. But once you're in, you're going to head back to our learning center and then grab the system prompt, and I'll show you how to do that. So obviously in the learning center, you want to go to bundle giveaways and then just head down to 20 AI SEO agents. So this is going to apply for all of the agents. You're just going to want to press whatever one that you would like to install. Once you open up this page, there's going to be lots of information. We've got a brief little section which shows you how you can get started, but obviously that's exactly what I'm showing you now, so don't worry about that. Then we're on to the core prompt. As you can see, it's very, very long. And all you're going to want to do is just simply copy all of this and then grab it into your clipboard and head back to Relevance AI. Now, once you're back in Relevance AI, you're going to want to press on agents and then press new agent at the top right. Now, Relevance also has this thing called event where it literally invents an AI agent for you. It's an AI agent, builds an AI agent, very strange, but we're not doing that. You just want to press default. Now, once you're in here after doing that, you'll be exactly here. You just want to press Control V and then that's going to fire right in. Now, also, I'd recommend giving it a name and a description just to keep yourself organized. Now, we're not exactly done yet. We have essentially given this agent the brain. Now we need to give it the tools. So we need to basically give it access to certain apps, certain functions for it to complete complete its task. So you're going to want to press tools, and then here we can see we can add tools. Now you're going to want to head back to the Notion document, and then down at the bottom it will explain all of the tools needed for this agent. Now this is 7 tools here. I'm obviously not going to show you how to do all of it because it's pretty much exactly the same. So you're going to just want to copy whatever tool you want to add in. So I'm going to copy this first one, head back over to Relevance AI and just paste the tool name into the search bar, and then it will load up the tools. So we can see extract web page content. You always want to choose the one by Relevance AI, and I'm going to clone this one in tool. And then we'll see the tool will pop up here. So this agent can now extract web page content whenever it's instructed to. And then you're just going to want to rinse and repeat, right? You're going to want to hit add tool, grab whatever one from the Notion document that you were, copy and pasted, paste it into the search bar, and then add it by Relevance AI. So you just want to rinse and repeat for all the tools, okay? Grab the name, paste it into the search bar, and then add it in. Most of them will be made by Relevance AI, but some may not be. I wouldn't worry too much. As long as the tool works, then that's all that really matters. But all the ones that we added in certainly work, and I think like 90% of them are made by Relevance AI. If not, you can literally just have invent the AI agent make the tool if some of them are deleted for some reason, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue there. Then unfortunately, we're not quite done yet. You want to go back to your prompt once you've added in all of your tools, and you'll see in the prompt, most prompts are going to have this reasoning steps. They may have a different name in different prompts, but essentially it's going to be a step-by-step guide of when to use these tools. So you'll notice here it says use extract web page content to get the full content. Now these bold bits of text represent where tools are meant to be. So all you're going to want to do is just remember what that says, extract web page content, delete it, press /, make sure that the speech marks are gone, press /, press tools, and then you just want to basically put the corresponding tool that was there before you deleted it. In this case, it was extract web page content. Paste that in, and then it comes up with this little card that says inputs, output, and you can edit the tool as well, but you don't need to do much here. It's just essentially saying to the agent, okay, use this tool to do this, okay? And that's the first step. And then you just want to do that for all the tools. So this one, you would copy this, delete it, and then funny enough, you'd add in the tool that says extract text from website URL. Very, very simple. Now keep in mind, not all the tools are going to be this simple. Also, you'll notice that each tool has a tool prompt. Now you don't really need to change anything here because most will have a default prompt. You can change it if you want the tools output to be a little bit different, for example. Also, some of these tools are going to require you to sign into an account. For example, this is a Slack send message tool. In that case, you just want to obviously open up the tool. Whenever you press on it or go to add it in, even before you try to add it in, this is where you'll be taken to, and it's saying Slack account. So what account am I sending the message from? You just want to press select connected account, and obviously I've already got an account connected, but if you don't, you just want to press add account. It'll take you to an OAuth. You sign in, you give permission, and then it'll just route you back here, and you'll have this little option here. Press that, and then you're good to go. Very, very simple. And it's pretty much the same for Gmail, for Notion, for any other tool. For HubSpot, requires you to sign in. Now, once you've added in all of your tools and you've also replaced all of this bold text with the variable card representing the tool in, Relevance AI format, if you will, then you're good to go. Just make sure to press save agent and then press run, and you can give it a test. You can also share it as a UI, so you can just press this, make it publicly available. You can get a UI, you can send it to your team. You can also embed it somewhere. You can also embed it as a chat widget if you want as well. So lots of potential ways that you could use this tool in sort of different scenarios. But once you've done all that, that's pretty much it. And then you just rinse and repeat for all the agents, and you will have all of the 20 SEO agents set up in your Relevance AI account ready to use. Also, a quick note before I end, in our learning center, we've also got loads of more value. I also actually recently just made a video giving away a B2B lead magnet that I built with N8N to help you generate leads. That's a free template as well. You can find it in Notion, and you can also find the video walkthrough on my YouTube channel as well. So I'd recommend checking that out if you like free templates, free agents, and things of that sort of nature. Also in here, hundreds of automations, hundreds of agents. Come and enjoy all the value. It's completely free. Loads of agents in here. Got loads of automations in here. Sales pipeline automations, social media systems, customer support systems, cheat sheets, etc. You name it. It's all in here. And whenever you're in our learning center, you don't just get access to the 20 agents. You'll get all this value as well. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you're able to get some value from the 20 SEO AI agents. If you have any issues with setting it up, just let me know in the comments, or you can send me a quick email. I'll try my very best to get back to you. I'd recommend dropping a comment. That's probably where I'll see it. Anyway, I really do hope these 20 SEO AI agents will be able to provide you with some value. If you have any issues with setting them up or any sort of glitches or bugs, just let me know in the comments of this video, and I will get back to you as soon as possible, trying to help you out. If you like this sort of content, free AI resources, walkthroughs, and tutorials, please consider liking and subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. That's it for today, folks. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.